Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Notion pretty easy method. Start by picking a minimal template, then set a simple color palette and choose one heading font plus one body font to keep pages cohesive and readable, and remove unnecessary blocks for a cleaner layout. Warm tip: balance visuals and content by structuring pages into clear sections. Use columns for comparison, toggles for details, and dividers for breathing room. Keep iconography and cover images consistent across pages and limit decorative elements so the content. Think of Notion like a simple website you control. Apply a small set of visual rules: matching icons, consistent covers, and one or two accent colors. Use callouts to highlight actions, images to add context, and custom templates to maintain style across pages so updates are fast and your workspace feels unified and pleasant to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.